SMAV taking a look at POPN, pop and go. It's a pink sheet stock. This is a chart that has a lot of appeal to me right now, and I want to explain why. For starters, the parabolic SAR hasn't made its flip yet. We want to see that make a flip with any sort of a move today upward that will make the flip. The Bollinger Bands are pulling back together. The tightening of the Bollinger Bands and things like the moving averages all come together, often indicate that a larger move is coming. This stock also happens to be trading over both the 50 and the 200-day moving averages, which is a very bullish sign. Now it's made its big moves, made a little bit higher of a low. It's making another higher low, and it has a nice rounded look to it right here, which is a very good sign of consolidation, where it starts trading a little bit higher since it comes off the bottom. Held that 50-day moving average, you can see. And a lot of times it'll ready to explode and take out this new high of 009. We'll see things like, you're not going to see tons of divergence, but you're seeing a nice uptrend going on with the RSI. Seeing things with the MACD still trending up. PPO trending up, holding over 0. We're about ready to get across again. Break a 0 with the histogram. Plenty of room to make a move here with the positive DI down at 20. Plenty of room for that to rise. You can see when it made the big move how high it actually can go. One of the only things I don't like is this separation right here in the MFI, the short-term MFI. Sometimes when the short-term gets so far ahead of, like 7 gets so far ahead of the 14, you'll tend to see a little bit of a pullback first and see them get together. Not always, but it's pretty common. So I'm not crazy about that, but we'll see what happens with that. Rate of change trending right at 0. Plenty of room for it to make a move. It's not oversold, overbought. You use that just as historic highs and lows. Trending at 0, it has plenty of room to make a big move. Accumulation distribution just shows that throughout this whole move, it's just been buying, buying, buying. Even throughout these little downtrends where it's consolidated, buying has still been coming in. Taking money flow still green. CCI reaching 100, which people read that different ways. Still sitting at that point, it's just fine. It can obviously get up near positive 400 on a big move. Full stow still set with plenty of room to move. It's just when I use this overlay right here, the cross of the full stow over the PPO tends to be bullish. Tricks, we're hoping that it will continue with this long-term trend that's establishing by making a curl and making another move there. Trending towards 0 is always what you're looking for. Obviously, for next thing we're going to want to look at is a resistance level, which we're going to be looking at for take out that old high of 009. That'll be the first spot we'll be looking for to take out. Still showing support down here at the bottom below 5, but I'm not that concerned about that right now. I want to see it keep holding this 50-day moving average, but ultimately I want to see it continue this rounded bottom. I don't even really want to see it pull back. If it does, I'll be looking for it down to bounce off the 50-day again, or if it falls, it'd be looking down here probably to a lower level, maybe down around 003. But as again, that's not my concern. My concern right now is if this is going to explode over the next day or two. Of course, after 009, we'll be looking for it to head, take out the main numbers, the penny level, and obviously we'll be shooting for the 018 to make a new high. Right now we're going to be looking for some volume. You can see volume is slowly sliding off, but we'll be looking for it to start increasing again through here is what we want to see. If this is going to make its push and make a run, try and take out this first resistance level at PPS level at 008 where it stumbled before, but we're going to look for it to take out 009. If this is going to happen, volume's going to have to come in. You can see it's been on a gradual decline right here. Not the worst thing in the world. Again, people aren't selling, people are holding, not a lot of trading going on. Again, we're going to look for that volume to start hitting hard. Anyways, Mav, I ran across POPN and I wanted to share it with you. I'll see you on the boards.